dreaming of a perfect income. How about your health? Almost every people can't rid of this surviving mode and end up unhealthy. Invest in your health but in moment. Focus on your nervous system because according to the Department of Health, mostly all deaths came from heart problem and stroke due to unhealthy nervous system. It's time to nourish and comply these lacking nutrients.
Health expert.
Matutuklasan mo yung simple pero effective na bedtime routine na tutulong sa'yo para makakuha ng deep, relaxing sleep gabi-gabi at magkaroon ng anxiety-free at worry-free life every day in a natural, safe, and very effective way. Na hindi mo kailangang uminom ng prescription drugs, gumasa sa malaki sa therapy, o baguhin ang lifestyle mo. Mapapanatag ka ba kung nakakatulog ka na ng mabilis at mahibing gabi-gabi? Makakahinga ka na ba ng maluwag kung wala kang inaalala at pangamba araw-araw? Okay ba sa'yo kung hindi ka mag-aalala sa mga delikadong sakit na dala ng anxiety at stress? I promise you, ngayon mo pa lang ito maririnig at wala ka pang nasubukan na katulad dito at tingin ko, masyasyak ka sa lahat ng malalaman mo.